guys, from Maestro Capelli, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for being here, and I really appreciate it that you are taking the time to watching this video. Let's get into it right away. Today I'm going to show you something special which I never did it before. Today I'm going to do it here live with you. I went to the market, so on Ralph. I went to buy some grocery for my family and some food. So I was walking and look what I find. Look what I find. I find this. First of all, I read pizza crust, thin crust. So today I'm going to compare this pizza crust versus my pizza, the real pizza. So let's see. At the end of this video I want to see 50,000 likes, and I want to see in the comment below what you guys think. Right here, comment below, right? So let's get into this video. It shows right here how to open these things, right? Pop, press, peel. There is, the dough is here, the dough. I smell this, not good. So let's start to compare the dough. Wow, this dough is full of yeast, but I believe from my experience we have to put a lot of flour. So we're gonna compare. Let's put some flour. Woo! Woohoo! Pizza dough already made. Thin crust. Guys, I'm getting very into this video because I never done something like this before. This dough is full of yeast, you can tell the difference already. But we're gonna make a pizza out of this. So I believe now we have to stretch it. I never used something like this before. This is my first time. If you guys know, comment below and tell me how to use this dough. But I'm gonna try to make the same pizza. I'm just gonna compare this pizza versus my pizza. So as you already see, this one is about 300 grams. Where's the box? I mean, I threw it away. So this is 300 grams. Let's go into the video. Into the pizza. Boom. This one actually is already stretched, so I don't need to stretch. I'm gonna shape it just a circle. Try to make a circle right here. So now it's time to do my pizza. Okay, so now we have my dough. I'm gonna stretch it. This one got a little bit more yeast, and mine, no, of course. To check out how to make this dough, please check out my link here or here, I don't remember. Either wise, check it out how to make the dough. So now we made it. Let me check. I'm scared that this pizza will get stuck. Probably this pizza is made to go on a pan. So we're gonna put some tomato sauce. This one. We're gonna put some Parmesan cheese, some fresh mozzarella. Of course, guys, we are making the pizza at the same time and the same way. This way, we are able to see also the difference when it will cook. I want to take the occasion to show you this amazing bag, Adori. They sent it to me, and I actually gonna say that those bags are really good for saving the ingredients, which I just put my basil here, and I put it in the fridge, and because they are nice and sealed, the ingredients, they stay nice and fresh. So I didn't put any water, and then look at the basil. Basil usually gets mushy, but with these bags it gets nice. You'll find the link in description of these bags. Also it comes with different measure, so but they consider it together because they can go in the freezer and in the fridge. They're really good and nice, and they're easy to clean, easy to wash. So let's put this basil here. I'm gonna put it before, this way, just to see the difference, how it will come out. You can put the basil before or after, but remember, it's your choice. And if you put it before, I suggest to put some olive oil on the basil. This way the basil will not burn. Or you put the basil under the cheese. Voila, the pizzas are ready. Now let's go see in the oven how it will cook. I'm gonna try to keep it the same shape. Let's go in the oven. Not making mistake. This way we will remember that this is fine. This one, I have to say, it looks good, but this one it cooked really fast because probably it's full of oil, and I mean, I'm professional, and then I didn't pay really attention, and then it got burned a little bit on top here, like you can see, but the bottom cooked well for the pizza, of course, cooked out well. So the pizza is cooked actually. It's a little bit burned on one side, but that's my fault. And this is my first time doing this, I repeat. But I have to say, it looks good. Looks good. My pizza, of course, for me looks better. But now is the moment of the truth. We have to taste it. Be excited for this moment. I mean, let's put it on a plate and let's test it. Okay guys, we put the pizza on a plate. We have the pizza crust from the market and my own pizza dough. Now is the time to comment below which one you think of by looking is the best. The pizza crust from the store or my pizza dough. Now is the time to taste and judge these amazing pizzas. Woohoo! Let's cut it. They cut the same. Guys, of course, those pizzas made simple margherita just to see the differences between the dough. So let's get it. This one holds really well. It's cooked not well, very American style, very hairy. A lot of hair inside, of course, probably because the yeast, and this one smells like yeast. Now we gotta do. at the first bite, it was actually good because the tomato sauce and the cheese. But probably I taste something a little bit. I don't know to explain. Like a lot of like flour in my mouth. So let me taste just the crust. I'm gonna give another chance to this pizza crust. It's weird. It's weird the taste, but I have to say that this is not actually bad, because probably if it's made in a pan with olive oil in a pan and cook at low temperature, maybe it's good. I'm gonna taste that in the next video. In another video, I'm going to do that test in another video with the same dough. It's you know, it tastes different. For my palate, it's not the best, but I mean, I cook in the same way. Let's taste mine first, and then I'll be able to judge. Also, mine, of course, mine is also full of air, but this one is not yeast. Why I'm saying that? Because the yeast, it makes you full. This one already a couple of bites, you can tell it's a little bit more heavy than mine. For mine, of course, I know how this tastes. Let's get it. Another level, guys. Of course. Of course, it's another level, but this was just a compare these two dough, how it will come out, how it look like. This one is definitely something that you get quick. You go to the market, boom boom, you put it in a pan, you put it in the oven, and voila, you have the pizza just to fill up your stomach. But guys, please check out my channel. You'll learn how to make the real pizza at home properly, like a professional pizzaiolo. So check out my channel and start to make the pizza like this. But if you're in a hurry and you're really hungry and you just want to fill up the stomach, go with this crust from the market. Hope you like this video, guys. Fill up a thumbs up, and please go and subscribe and share my video for the support. Thank you so much from Stati Uniti. See you every week with new videos. Ciao!